Welcome to the UK Web Archive. Using a web archive can be quite a different experience from using the web. This short video provides a quick introduction to the UK Web Archive, the scope of the collection, and how to access our content. The Web Archive was established in 2004. It is a selective web archive, containing individual websites that have been selected or nominated for their intrinsic research value and which are representative of British social history and cultural heritage online. There are currently over 10,000 different website titles in the Web Archive, many of which are no longer available from the live web. Snapshots of selected sites are captured at regular intervals. The general frequency pattern is around every 6 months, although that can vary. These recurring captures make it possible to not only track changes to websites over time, but also develop a temporal aspect to the Web Archive collection as a whole. The homepage offers several different ways to explore the Web Archive. The sidebar, on the left-hand side, allows you to find information about the collection, how we capture sites, how you can contribute, and different ways to find content. If you have quick questions, you might find answers in our quick website links on the right-hand side. Other elements of the homepage allow you to dive straight into our special collections or to browse the Web Archive by subject classification. If you don't know what you're looking for, browsing is a good place to start. Websites in the Web Archive are classified against subject headings. If you click on Browse the Archive, you're offered 3 different browsing options: Browse by Subject, Browse by Special Collection, or Browse by Website Title. All archived websites are classified against subject headings to help users navigate through the archive and find what they are looking for. Browsing by subject will help you to find websites relevant to your discipline and your subject area. Browse by Special Collection lets you browse through the websites associated with each of our special collections. Special collections are groups of websites brought together on a particular theme, either events-based, such as the Olympic and Paralympic Games, topical, such as the Credit Crunch collection, or subject-oriented, like the British Countryside collection. These special collections have been especially compiled by curators and other subject specialists to make useful and interesting collections. Last but not least, Browse by Website Title presents you with an alphabetical list of all website titles in the UK Web Archive, ideal if you just want to see what we've got. If you need some help at any point, search tips are available from the links on the right-hand side. If you know exactly what you're looking for, why not try the search function instead? A quick search is available from the homepage, but our advanced search supports more tailored, precision searching. Choose from a full-text search or a title search. If it's full-text searching you're after, simply enter your search terms in the search field to start. Then, decide if you want to restrict your search in any way, for example by date, by subject, by special collection, or even by archiving organisation. You can choose to group your results by domain if you wish to focus on specific titles. Alternatively, if you're only interested in one website, simply enter your title and/or URL in the title search box instead. Help is available if you get stuck, either through the quick links or through the search help, which is linked in the bottom of the page. When you're happy with your input, click Search. Your search results should appear shortly, grouped into domain if you've selected that option. Search results are grouped by content type too, accessible from the tabs at the top of the results page. Clicking on the domain link allows you to access links from that domain. Otherwise, just click on the main search result to see that individual one. If you're interested in a particular website, you can see all harvested instances of a website title through what we call the TEP page. This is the TEP page for the British Library website. It's a great visual depiction of the way that the homepage has changed over time. Just click on a thumbnail and that version, which we call an instance of the site, will open in your browser. When viewing, if you decide that you want to see other instances captured at different times, simply use the timeline slider in the banner at the top of the screen. When you're done, you can hide the banner by clicking on the hide arrow. Browsing and searching are just two ways to explore the content in the Web Archive. We're developing a number of visualization tools also to support alternative entry routes. For example, our 3D wall allows you to browse thumbnails of all instances of sites in a special collection. This engaging and interactive 3D gallery is the fastest way to browse images of all instances in a collection. It's also possible to generate an n-gram of search phrases or terms that will depict a graph showing where and when your search terms appear in the collection over time. Finally, we provide tag cloud access to one of our special collections, the 2005 UK General Election. Tag clouds have been generated for the three main political parties showing the words most frequently used in their websites during the election campaign. This is just a prototype, so it doesn't link through to the archived instances at the moment, but it gives you an idea of the type of thing we can do. If you want to know more about the Web Archive, just browse through any of the other sections in the sidebar. You can nominate a site for archiving, catch up on our latest stats, or follow our blog. And if you have any feedback, just get in touch.